we're just about to go to Hard Rock.
Oh, this is smart.
Hey guys, so we're in the Hard Rock.
Was that what you doing there, was it? Hey guys.
I haven't said anything, but I thought I'd do a Sophie and go, hey guys, so today we are at the Hard Rock.
Some superb pictures around and about. Wow, look at all these discs. Problem is, sometimes you haven't got a clue who people are, and I'm not sure who that is. So we're off to the park now. Wow. How amazing is that? That's the way to water taxi and shuttle bus. Marketplace. So what's this do? Snacks and coffees and stuff. It looks nice, doesn't it? It looks inviting, and that's got...
I wish we could go in the pool right now.
But look at this, the pool. Well, let's try it and do it one shot. So we're going to take the walk to the parks now from Hard Rock. All checked in, got our keys, got our annual passes, and off we go. Oh, squirrel! I've got a squirrel. First squirrel of the holiday.
1 minute, can you move back? Second squirrel! Second squirrel!
We've got another squirrel.
That's the high-stage squirrel.
We haven't even got anywhere near the park yet and we found 2 squirrels. 5 points for whoever catches the first lizard. We're after a lizard and a minion.
We're not after a minion.
We're after a minion.
Here's a minion.
That don't count, that minion.
Aww.
So here we are. We're at Universal Studios, aren't we?
Yeah.
We'll seem busy today. This is Easter weekend, so it probably will be. So we're in and our annual passes worked. And now we're going to have a bit of fun. There we go, there's Christmas shopping at Easter. Transformers. So the parks are quite busy, so we're just going to try and decide now where we're going to go to first. I think we're going to probably head towards the Blue Brothers. I think we're going to head towards Men in Black. Strangely quite windy. So I hope there's not too much wind on this audio. It is definitely a bit windy today. It's nice and warm. Enjoying the weather. Especially after it's been so cold in the UK the last few weeks. But so that's Fast and Furious there, isn't it? And that's going to be open for when we come here in July.
Nothing new this time, is there?
No, there's nothing new. The Fast and Furious is the new attraction, but it's not opening for another couple of months.
Is there anything new in Disney?
This time round, there might be a stage show or something. They've closed a few things.
Closed a great movie ride.
Closed a great movie ride. They closed a great movie ride and whatchamacallit,
Why they closed the Great Movie Ride? It needed updating. But
no I don't.
People love that ride.
I know, you like it? Oh, this is the Fast and Furious shop's open already, is it? Oh, so they've opened that but not the ride. So the actual customary gift shop now becomes before the customary ride. Ah. So you can get your Fast and Furious gifts before the Fast and Furious ride opens. Talk about being prepared. It's quite nice that. Quite like that. $20. $16.95. Bargain. So we're off to Simpsons, not where I was expecting to start. So we completed the Simpsons. Someday I'll work out how they actually load that ride. It seems to change every time, but sometimes, despite having an express pass, we've waited quite a long time for that. But today we haven't. We've pretty much walked on fairly quickly. Just the pre-show videos only. Anyway, I'm not sure where we're off to next. We'll have a look in a sec.
Do not listen to any fears or suspicions you may have.
These little unfortunate people want to say hello. No. So we're having a bit of a rain break. We're a bit of a rain break. You a bit wet, Soph? Yeah. That serves us right for not taking all waterproofs, doesn't it? Well, I don't think it'll last too long. It's definitely raining at the moment, and it's quite heavy. So we're having a go on ET. Oh, that was a nice ride, ET. And into the obligatory gift shop, the ET one. Well, the rain has gone now. I'm going to go off and have a look about getting a little bit of lunch. So, late arrival, but we've done Simpsons, Twelve and Hill and ET. We'll see what else we get done today. Busy, busy, busy though. We're going to try and see if we can get in Lombard's for dinner. So it's an hour and a half wait at Lombard's CSC, which is probably a sign of how busy it is. So we're going to have a look at Finnegan's, see how we get on there. And then we might go to City Walk otherwise. Now the food places are so very, very busy in Universal Studios, we've decided to nip out and have a go at City Walk. We're going to probably try and Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. I suspect it'll be equally as busy, but you never know. We'll give it a go. There's also the Hard Rock Cafe there as well, isn't there? Hard Rock Cafe. And there is Tootsome's Chocolate Emporium. Been in my must-do list 2 years in a row. Still haven't done it. Maybe today's the day. We're never going to get in, are we? Well, we're eventually inside. And the queue doesn't look too bad, so hopefully it won't be too bad. Look amazing, don't they? Absolutely amazing. So 12 of those truffles. Guess the price. Oh, about $10.
Times 3.
$30.
$32.
$32 plus tax. They must taste good. It almost looks like a rip-off of the Willy Wonka sign, isn't it? Macaroons. Those macaroons look amazing.
Quite cheap
Hopes the food tastes as good as the chocolate looks. Some of them look absolutely gorgeous, don't they? I do like the look of those red velvet chocolate shots. But that chocolate puff pastry is like something they used to make in the bakers when I was a kid in Crosby. What's ace? They do seem to have a lack of prices on a lot of this though, don't they? We'll talk about a chocolate eclair. I'll tell you what, your Auntie Catherine would like that chocolate eclair. Oh, is this? Oh, is that milkshake menu? Oh, what have we got choices of? You name it, you can have it. Oh wow, what's that one? That one looks good. Interesting. Brownie. Dutch chocolate ice cream brownie, milk chocolate swirl. That's crazy. Strawberry cheesecake. Amazing. Nerd set Sundays. They look superb. We're here. Just going to show this menu while we're looking. Beers and wines here. I'm going to try taste of the chocolate beer. It's not really that exciting until you hit this lot. The milkshakes and the sundaes. And they look rather special. So this is my chocolate ale. Really strong chocolate for taste, but also a beer taste. Really nice. That's chocolate bread, that looks amazing. And then we've got chocolate chicken wings. And then we've got normal onion rings, but with a chocolate sort of dipping sauce. And how did it taste, Sophie?
Quite nice. Not my favourite.
Not your favourite? Oh, that's a bit of a pity, but hopefully you like the bread, because that's what you wanted. So Jess has got a duck flatbread, I've got a steak sandwich and chips. Sarah's got a burger. Was it a teriyaki burger, isn't it? Yeah. Is it nice? And what have you got, Sophie? Tenders, haven't you? Brilliant dinner, but we are so full, we have failed to have a dessert, and we might come back later. Still spitting, raining. So I think the plan is now to go back to the hotel, to get the room ready, and then go back out again for the evening. It's not meant to rain today, it's rained a bit. So, following a thunderstorm, we're back at Hard Rock Hotel. It really was heavy rain, but we're back now. So, whose dress is that? Who do you reckon? It's J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez. And this one is Shakira. So, this is Tom Jones's suit.
Yes. Dad, it's the cards. It's these.
Lady Gaga. Well,
You just, well, that's what Sophie meant.
Oh, right, how tall she is.
Don't touch the mirror, just lean against it. You're not quite, oh, she's just maybe a little bit shorter than Shirley Temple. There's a phone snapping.
Mum.
You're saying so?
Prince and Kylie Minogue. Oh, I thought I was bigger than Kylie Minogue.
Tea facilities. Which are not bad. Oh,
We still got.
bottle of water. $7.50. Don't think we'll be drinking that.
Mummy,
Tea.
come over here.
The coffee's free, yeah.
Wait, have we got?
Four chairs in the room. So you got 2 armchairs, 2 big chairs.
Mother.
And we have nice, plenty of big drawers. Nice looking TV, which you can see me in. Is that shiny? And Sophie.
Same as me, Lady Gaga. I must be taller than that. I must be this Debbie Harry.
It's a bathroom. I think the thing to do with these Lowe's hotels is just the one sink. And actually you have another sink inside here. Toilet. And actually this isn't quite as nice, I don't think, as the Lowe's Royal Pacific, because you have a shower. But the shower is with a bath underneath, and I like the sort of wet room you get inside Lowe's Royal Pacific. Loads of towels. It looks nice. We could probably do it this turning on. Oh, Elvis is quite big, isn't he?
That's what I mean. I'm shocked at that. I thought he was small.
Dad, who are you bigger than?
Stevie Nicks is tiny.
Where are they looking?
Look at this. I'm smaller than this guy.
You're smaller than Shirley Temple. That means you're quite small. I would have thought Lady Gaga and Prince were the same height. Hey, Modern Life is Gooders. Hello.
Cut that.
Right, we're back at the hotel now. We've had a little look at it. It's nice. We like it. And we're now going to go back into... Well, actually, we're going to go to Islands of Adventure for a few hours, aren't we?
Yes, Mummy, can you get me the camera?
Yep. Yeah, we're going to go on Carousel and we're going to go maybe Spider-Man and stuff, aren't we?
Yeah, I just want to say one thing. I've been jumping from the chair to the bed. I've just been so bored. And my Teddy's been doing it. And
Thanks, Soph. Thank you.
I love you, Modern Life is Gooders. You're awesome.
Hi, Modern Life is Gooders. Right, we're off to
Island
of Adventure.